Assalamu alaikum. Hello boys, how are you? Welcome to you in science class. Today we are going to review our quiz.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.
وعليكم السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته.
Hello, teacher.
Hello Mishari, how are you? La? I'm fine, how are you? Good?
Yes.
السلام عليكم.
Wa alaikum salam, Hatim. Where is Firas? Muhammad, I can't hear you. Muhammad Azhari. No, there is, I think, sound of fan or something. I don't know.
Teacher, I got 20 from 20.
Who told you you get 20 or 20?
The test.
You cannot see your marks actually. So how do you know you get 20 over 20? Muhammad, I can't hear you.
Because I have to read.
Okay, Shari, wait. Hatim Al-Amri is there. Muhammad Azhari is there. No, Muhammad, I can't hear you well. Again the sound of, again the same sound. Sound of maybe audio player or something. Okay, so question
أستاذ
number
نبدأ
one.
الحصة؟
Aywa. Question number one. Mass is measured in Newton. True or false?
False. False.
وكذا stop.
Teacher, it's false.
Muhammad, don't open your mic. There is a lot of voice. Hatem Yasir, are you there? Hatem Yasir, मौजूद? Okay, mass is measured in Newton. This is false because weight is measured in Newtons.
Yes, it's false. Teacher, I say to you, it's false. Yes.
كذا stop.
Gravity is a force. Gravity is a force. Agree?
Teacher, I know answer. Teacher, I can't agree.
Agree, disagree, partially agreed, or none of the above?
Teacher,
Agree. Yes.
disagree.
Mashallah, Mishari, you get 20 by 20, huh? Gravity is a force, you disagree. Gravity is a force, yes, has a قوة. Gravity yani jazibiyya has a قوة. This is a force, so this is right. We agree with this. There
Teacher
are,
ميكان.
Teacher, I am sorry, I forget.
MashaAllah. Yes, so there are dash planets in our solar system.
8 teacher. 8.
8. Very good. Okay. Hatim Al-Amri. There are
Teacher, I can.
Mishari, be
Hello,
quiet.
sir.
Aywa, Hatim, open your mic. There are 3 laws of motion. True or false?
شو اسمه؟
There are
ثواني بالله
3
اشتغل.
laws of motion.
أو true.
True. Very good. Okay.
Teacher Mikan?
Yes, Saud. Which one of the following is law of motion? First law of motion.
Teacher
Number 1, 2, 3.
الثالثة يستاهل.
Yes. Number 3. Objects continue doing what they are doing unless that forces speed them up or slow them down.
Teacher, I can. Number 6.
Yes.
Please.
Number 6, Mishari.
Which one is second law of motion?
Law of motion.
Heavy objects need
Yes. Heavier objects need more force to move them.
more force
Yes.
to move them.
Allah Muhammad Azari.
في صوت كذا.
Okay, 7. Muhammad Azari. Which one of the following is third law of motion? No, I can't hear you. Look, Muhammad Azari, what is happening with your audio?
Teacher Mikan?
Yes, Saud. Dia, where are you, Dia? Dia, Mojud? Dia, are you there?
Okay, stop.
Yes, Muhammad.
Which one is the law of motion?
Hatim Yasir, Mojud?
Yes, teacher.
Muhammad, I can't hear you. Muhammad, don't open your mic, please. Fix your mic. Hatim, open your mic again.
Yes, yes teacher.
افتح على طول, okay? Just wait. Okay, Hatim, you got.
Where?
Okay, next question. Where is the question? Just 1 second. Okay. Question number 7, yeah, Hatim.
Okay, which one is there law of motion?
Motion.
Motion.
Hmm. Which one is third law of motion?
Okay. Teacher, no one of the above.
MashaAllah, no one of the above. يعني
Teacher.
هو ما في موجود.
Teacher Mikan?
Teacher, I can.
دقيقة
Teacher
يا
me,
سعود, دقيقة يا سعود. مشاري and سعود, wait. حاتم المؤيد لازم يركز كل هذا حصة, بعدين أنا أرسلك مرة ثانية, أوكي؟ لازم ركز هذا حصة. حاتم المؤيد.
ايوه طيب استاذ.
أيوة لازم ركز هذا حصة, بعدين أنا أرسلك مرة ثانية. Yes, محمد.
كذا صوتي يقطع استاذ.
Yes, now you can say. Number 7. Yes, what is the answer?
Whenever an object pushes another object, it gets pushed back in opposite direction equally hard.
Yes, question number, the answer number 1 is right. Thank you, Muhammad.
Teacher, I can. Number 8, please. Teacher, I can. Number 8, please.
Yes, Mishari, number 8. Diya, inta maafi rud.
Marcher has the frog
Mercury has a dash.
gravity. Hello, yes, teacher.
Okay, Diya, just 1 second.
Teacher,
Smallest, yes. Mercury has smallest force of gravity. Thank you.
Teacher, me
Okay,
can?
Dia, now open your mic, Dia. Saud intazar.
Yes, teacher.
Aywa, question number 9, yes, Dia.
Degree.
Degree? ما في اس موجود؟
Disagree.
Disagree. Disagree. أيوة. Weight is not a force of gravity. هذا خطأ. Weight is يعني وزن هذا force of gravity. Okay. عبد العزيز موجود؟
Yes, teacher.
أيوة. Question number 10. Force of gravity is different on Earth and Moon.
Number 10.
Yes.
Agree.
Agreed. Very good. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Now I am repeating again, revising again. Mass is measured in Newton. This is false. हातिम al-Muayyid lazim rakkis, okay? Mass is measured in Newton, false. Gravity is a force, yes, agree. There are dash planets in our solar system, 8 planets. There are 3 laws of motion, yes, there are 3 laws of motion. Which one is first law of motion? This is number 3. Objects continue doing what they are doing unless other forces speed them up or slow them down. Question number 6. Which one is second law of motion? Second law of motion is heavier objects need more force to move them. Third law of motion, answer is number 1. Whenever an object pushes another object, it gets pushed back in opposite direction. Question number 8. Mercury has dash force of gravity, smallest force of gravity. Walaikum salam, Loi. Mercury has smallest force of gravity. Weight is not the force of gravity. Disagree. Weight is force of gravity. Hada. This is not so. This we don't agree with this. Question number 10. Force of gravity is different on Earth and on
Teacher.
Moon. Yes, there is 6 times difference. Yes. Yes, Mishra.
Teacher, I need something from you. How I am got on the test of science?
I can't tell you. If I want to tell you, I will show you this. You know that. We can't show you marks. Force of gravity is different on Earth and Moon.
Okay.
Yes, we agree. Because it is different on Moon and on the Earth. Okay, Abdulaziz is with us now. Firas, where is Firas? Firas, حاضر في أي حصة؟
ايه استاذ
ايوه
الحصه اللي
ايوه كان
قبل
حاضر.
فين هو حاضر؟ ساينس هو ما في حاضر 3 مرات. 3 or 4 times he is absent. That's why he got very less marks. Yalla, okay. Okay, boys, thank you. See you next time, inshallah. We will start next unit.
بعد سنه
Goodbye.
ان شاء الله.
حاتم ياسر الحين أنا أسألك, okay? Goodbye.
Goodbye, teacher.